Hi guys, so I just finished doing my get ready with me video. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Ignore the big pile of laundry right there. I left everything till it was a huge pile, but this is the bit for today. Some mum jeans, got the belt from Primark, the jeans are from Pull & Bear, the jumpers from Primark, then just an everyday beat. Currently just finally finished editing this video. Just gonna export it now. What I do to my natural hair, what I've been doing. So whilst that's exporting, I'm now gonna tackle that over there. Apparently this is gonna take at least an hour to export, so I'm going to play some music, I'm gonna do a montage. Yeah, I'm gonna put my regular playlist on, but cue the montage. I'll just set the camera up anyway. Alright, so done a little bit cleaning, but really not much for me. I just don't like it like that. Sometimes I can get in the zone and actually get a bit done, but I think that'll be a gradual. Like, I'll probably come back to it a bit later on today. She says. So she says, I'm trying to figure out this thumbnail. I had it sorted ages ago, but now I'm like, I want to change it. This is the problem when you wait so long to edit a video and everything. You have too much time and you think it's not good and you try and tweak it, and I'm like, I'm not sure if this is good or not. I'll figure it out. How much is left to edit? Wow, we're gonna be here a while. Zena, how is it 3 o'clock already? I'm gonna come back whenever because I've got nothing to be doing. I'm just trying to figure out this thumbnail. Good morning guys. I'm trying to get back into planning because I haven't been planning properly in a while. So I wrote everything I had to do down on this little notes app on my laptop, because I sort of switched between my whiteboard, my laptop planner, and just like my regular day-to-day planner. So yeah, but today I've got a lot to do. I want to clean the room because I didn't really get much done the other day, so I want to do that today. I'm sorry if my voice sounds croaky, it gets a bit croaky in the morning. Then I want to go to Lidl to get a few things. I want to make meatballs today, meatballs and spaghetti, because I haven't had that in ages. I've low-key been craving it, so I'm gonna make that for the dinner. Yeah, I need to apply to some jobs. I put my goal at least 5 jobs, but obviously if I apply to more, that'll be good. And then I need to film 2 videos, I think. Yeah, I need to film my natural hair products collection video, and instead of the video I wrote down, I think I might do a get ready with me, a chit chat get ready with me, and then just do the other video tomorrow. I'm thinking outfit of the day. Joggers are from Boohoo, top again from Primark, hat from Moncler. I think it's how you say it. I don't know. These joggers I'm definitely gonna chuck because they're just really bad quality, so I don't recommend. I've actually got some stuff. Where's the bag? Okay, here's the bag. It's full of stuff that I need to iron, so I actually need to do some ironing today, which I forgot about. I really love this hat. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this hat has been the main feature of my feed for a minute, but I just love it so much. It's so cute. Wow, I did that whole clip and it wasn't even recording. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna sort out my makeup box as well, because I feel like there's a lot of makeup in there that I don't even use anymore, or out of date, or just doesn't look good anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Yeah, but I'm just gonna chuck away a bunch of stuff, just a little bit of a clear out, and just tidy up this area because it's actually just such a mess. I'll show you guys again for reference. It just doesn't look put together anymore, so I'm just trying to sort that out. But yeah, I'll just set the camera up. But yeah, I'll just set the camera up and just, you know, you guys can watch me sort this out.
but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What could would be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and you know. Part of me that's dead is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm hoping it is, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have been.
So I just finished cleaning, done one section. I'm just going to do things bit by bit. That's the best way I get things done, just bit by bit in terms of cleaning, because all at once I really had to be in the mood for that, and that's really rare. So I fully deep cleaned, I wiped everything down, put the boxes and everything. I need to empty the bins. Okay, I can take this off. Oh, I forgot the garlic bread at Lidl. I knew there was something I was missing off my list when I went to Lidl. So I also need to apply to some jobs today. I feel like it would be good if I quickly empty the bins now, film the natural hair video, and then sit down to apply for jobs. So if I only end up filming one video today, at least I filmed one video and I'll apply to jobs, because jobs is obviously the priority. But I do want to, from my free time, editing and stuff like that, so that's why filming is low-key something that I need to do today. Still got to even iron. It's such a struggle for me to find a job right now, but just gotta keep positive and eventually something will come up for me. Yeah, just, you know, gotta keep on it, keep grinding, everything. That's why I put that on my to-do list, is to continue applying to jobs, because if I don't put that on my to-do list, I'm less likely to do as many as I want to, because it's sort of off-putting rejections all the time, or you get interviews and then you don't get the job. It's really off-putting. So that's why I'm trying to just, you know, keep at it, because that's all you can do until one day you get a call, you're like, congratulations, you're like, oh my god, thank you so much. Ah.
Baby, the sound of you, better than a homie. I want you off my mind, and on me, holding me closer than we've never been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you.
Alright, so if you hear background noise, that is the washing machine. I want to quickly make a coffee because I can feel myself getting tired, and I still need to apply to a few jobs today. I've applied to one quickly, but I need to apply to 4 more. And there's one that was saved on my LinkedIn that I don't think I've applied to yet, so I need to sort that out, because you have to do your cover letters and everything, and you know, that takes a bit of time. So I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully I'll be done before I can start cooking dinner, and then I can finally chill and just edit. I find editing chilling most of the time, so that's what I do. I edit and maybe watch Netflix or YouTube. I've been obsessed with Suits lately. I'm already on season 5, and I only started it maybe 2 weeks ago, I would say 2-3 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm binge watching that like crazy. I love it so much. And I just quickly went through Trinkets as well on Netflix, and it was really good. Filmed the video, so hopefully it turned out good. I had a little bit of a look at the clips and it's okay, but I was probably talking to it too quickly, so I'm probably just going to put pictures of the products as I go along whilst editing that one. I want to film a video of the recent bits that I bought over the last couple of weeks. I got this nice set of Vinted, and I also got a wallet of Vinted, and I got the bucket hat. I love the bucket hat. Just a few things that I bought, and I thought, let me just do a collective haul of that as a video, so that'll be another idea to do. I haven't gotten around to ironing anything today, so I'm probably going to do that tomorrow, to be honest, because there's no time for that today. There's actually not. But I'm on my period now, so realistically I don't know how much I'm going to get done tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully energy is still okay, that I can just chill one place and get a bit done at least. But it's probably going to be more of a chill day tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just going to make myself a coffee and get back to work. Hi guys, so I just finished doing my get ready with me video, so I'm just going to export the footage onto my laptop and then do my to-do list for the rest of today, but I can tick that off already because I've done a video, and hopefully I can edit that for tomorrow. We'll see, depends on how much other stuff I get done today. But yeah, I'm gonna write my to-do list. I did film a productivity video a few weeks back, but decided I want to fully plan it and establish a routine that works when I know I haven't been productive. So, and this is how the makeup came out. I feel like it looks cute, natural. I wasn't going for too much, just something that's focused on blush and natural brows, I guess.
Black woman from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let them know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's a unity. U-N-I-T-Y. You gotta let them know. Love a black man from infinity to infinity. Instinct leads me to another flow. Every time I hear a brother call a girl a bitch or a hoe, trying to make a sister feel low. You know all of that gots to go. Now everybody knows there's exceptions to this rule. I don't be getting mad when we.
Hi guys, so I wanted to include this part in one of my other videos, maybe in this vlog, that I've given myself the task of learning an hour of Italian a day. I did do Italian for GCSE, so that's why I chose Italian, to see if I can, you know, trigger some memory up there. I'm going to end the vlog with this. I'm just going to learn some Italian. I found this little notebook, so that's what I'm going to do to write my Italian stuff down. I'm excited. Mi alzo a, I get up. Mi lavo a, I get washed. Mi vesto a, I get dressed. So this is just the routine, I guess, like part of your morning routine. It's got wash, dressed, shoes, I comb my hair, have breakfast, cereal. I don't comb my hair, period. A few of these I low-key remember, so I'm just going to write these down and then test myself. I'm going to play some music, but I thought let me just throw a bit of Italian in there because Italian. Take me back to Italy, please. I loved Italy when I've gone twice. I went to Malta, which is part of Italy. It's like a little island just off the coast, and then I've been to Rome, and I've been to, it's a really beautiful town. What is the name of it again? I can't remember what it's called. If I can remember, I'll just insert it on the screen. But oh my god, I want to go back there, and it's honestly so amazing that I forgot the name and I want to go back there. Wow, look at yourself.
Yeah. Bad bitch, no underwear. 2020 gon' pull up an ad, yeah. Bitch, I'm the wave, you can go home. Uber everywhere, yeah. Take my bitch everywhere. We be getting